everyone, I'm Huyu. In this video, I'll be showing you this Malaysia 1999 9 Series 10 ringgit banknotes. Before I take a closer look at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us about it. So for this 9 Series 10 ringgit notes is issued around 1999, and the bank negara governor at the time is Tan Sri Dato Sri Ali Abul Hassan bin Sulaiman. Now for this type, we call it the side signature because the signature is on the side here. This is how the signature on the note should look like. Now the size of these notes is 140 mm times 65 mm, and the first prefix is AW and it ended at BF. Now there's a replacement notes prefix ZA. Now I'll leave the book like this in case you want to check the price. However, please take note that the price here is just a guidance. It does not reflect the current market price. Price may go up and down depending on the market situation. Now if you need more time, you just need to pause the video. Now let's take a closer look at the notes. This is how the front of the notes look like. We call it the side sign because the signature is over here. The 10 series, you will see the signature is in the center one, but for the 9 series, it is at the side here. Let's turn it around. The reason why this type of notes is a bit sought after more sought after by collectors because Governor Ali Abu Hassan is the first governor to did not manage to finish the 5-year term as the governor. And so banknotes with this signature are hard to come by. Alright guys, if you like what I do, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.